Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the US dollar Canadian pairing, but before we get into the analysis, please take note of the following. First of all, please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also note that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Now, on the 21st of April, which was a Wednesday, and that was the last Bank of Canada rate statement, there was a suggestion that the bank may be raising rates as soon as next year, and also that they will potentially cut the pace of bond purchases. Now, this is, to my knowledge, the first major central bank to actually signal a reduction in stimulus. Now, a week later, the Fed's communication was really the opposite. The Fed is going to remain accommodative, at least until the slack in the economy has been reduced. So clearly we see a hawkish central bank versus a dovish central bank. Let's take a look at the chart, and you can see here that we have the daily Ichimoku clear downtrend. Now, this is really the reaction after the last two bank statements, but just to draw your attention, you've got the orange lagging line below price. Well, that's a sign of downwards momentum. Take a look at the price relative to cloud and baseline. You can see that the price is below the baseline, and the baseline is below the cloud. Again, downwards momentum. And of course, we have the forward cloud moving in that southeasterly direction. So the trend here very much perhaps suggesting the communication in terms of hawkishness versus dovishness. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. So as we've seen, the Bank of Canada is regarded as hawkish relative to the Dovish Fed, and this is most likely to reflect in the US dollar Canadian pairing. And as such, we continue to watch the pair as the trend develops. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you in the near future. Of course, if you found the snapshot useful, go ahead and click on that subscribe button.